Introducing the Shynerk Baby Car Mirror, a must-have for every parent. This miracle mirror installs in seconds. It effortlessly attaches to the rear seat headrest. Enjoy a wide-angle view thanks to its extra-large design. Always keep an eye on your precious little one. The 360 degrees pivot provides full maneuverability, fitting most vehicles including cars, SUVs, and vans. Safety is paramount. The mirror is made from shatterproof acrylic safety glass to keep your baby protected. No assembly required. The Shynerk Baby Car Mirror fits in all vehicle types and is a breeze to install. With over 18,000 reviews and a 4.6 rating, parents love the ease and safety this mirror provides. Get your Shynerk Baby Car Mirror today for just $15. Safety has never been so affordable.